Once you identify correctly what the problem is that led to your client possessing the drugs that the client possessed, once you craft the solution and you present it persuasively, you can get your client into a program like a mental health diversion program. Once you understand the underlying problem that led your client to being arrested for possession, for sale or transportation of drugs, if you understand that this is a person, for example, who is an immigrant to this country, who suffered abuse or trauma, who lost their job, who had a family to support, who was using drugs to cope with the stress, and who made the decision that the easiest way to get money to support my habit is to also sell some of the drugs I buy for myself to other people I know, maybe my friends, maybe my associates, maybe people I know through my community or my neighborhood. This way I can make some money on the sale and have enough money to also support my habit. Most of my clients are not high level importers or distributors of drugs. I have
Yeah,
those
not
cases on
kingpins.
occasion. It happens from time to time, but just the statistics are such, the majority of people you will represent as a criminal defense attorney will be people who both use and sell drugs. So where do we want to channel these cases? Drug dealers go to jail. Drug users should go to get treatment. And if we want treatment to be successful, just like we saw in prior episodes, using one of my clients as an example, Adina, if you really want drug treatment to work, you want to make sure you rule out anything other than just addiction. Because if there are other problems that cause the person to become addicted to drugs, you need to address those, or your treatment is not going to be successful, or it's going to be short lived. Because you might fix the problem that led them to you today, but if you don't address the underlying cause for that problem, it's only a matter of time before it's going to come back.